Sunshine has no rain, but I can't complain. A gentle breeze and the wind, a gentle sneeze and the smile of a friend. What grows wild can become natural. You cannot file away friendship, and my grandfather has a broken hip. Is life all lies, or is it factual? When can be not spoken, when it is still real? Everything is possible under God, so even fiction is true and real. How could one really feel when the angel looked and he gave him a nod? All dreams come true and nightmares are real in hell, but Saint Michael still rings his golden bell. I never could take her. A gentle breeze and the wind, a gentle sneeze and the smile of a lonely friend. What knows maybe a child can always be natural. You can file away the supernatural, but under God everything is possible. So even fiction is as real as you and me. Does that make a person insane to believe in such things? Or do we just blame it on the rain? A gentle breeze and the wind, a gentle sneeze and a smile from a friend. What grows wild can become natural, so you can file away a friendship. But my grandfather broke his hip. Do you even care? Would I even dare? Are you a real friend? Peacemaker.